We just finished up this simple gift wrap idea, but I also want to show you a gift wrap idea that I love to do with brown paper or white paper. It's one of the reasons why I love this simple wrapping paper so much, is you can customize it to fit anything that you want. So we're going to make our own calligraphy wrapping paper. It's very easy. I just have a straight line. You can use a magazine or a book. You don't have to use a ruler. And I'm going to mark straight lines diagonally. And I'm using a special pencil. This is a pencil that's made for calligraphy, and it's just a soft graphite, so it's easy to erase. After you've marked your lines diagonally, or however you want to mark your lines, you just take a Sharpie, and this is faux calligraphy with a Sharpie. I'm going to write in cursive first, and then to make it look like calligraphy, on all of my downstrokes on each letter, I'm going to darken it. Once you're finished, you're just going to go in and erase the pencil lines, and if you've marked very lightly, this will be very easy to do. And there's our wrapping paper. I'm going to wrap this gift, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's all wrapped up. There's just a simple way that you can dress up simple brown paper packaging and make it unique to you and your family. I hope that you guys have enjoyed all of my wrapping tips. If you use any of them, make sure to tag me on Instagram. I'm at Boxwood Avenue. And if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any of our videos, and visit our website, boxwoodavenue.com, for easy handmade gift ideas.